Oh, we got a traffic stop right here. Damn. Oh shit, we gotta go get that. Is that down? Oh, wow, perfect timing. I guess we have a traffic stop here. I was driving too fast, that's what it was. I don't know. Well, the second one.
Okay, alright, hang tight. What's up, buddy? How you doing? What's your name? On your way to work? Yeah, it's cool. Period, lunch break hour, and then going back. Off work, I got pull my ACL. So I can do that surgery.
That's down.
I got surgery in a couple weeks. How's the pain? It sucks. It's small. It's like pretty fat compared to my other knee. I just chew as much as I can. That's one injury in my life. Yeah. I heard most people like, some people have like a pretty good comeback. That's what they sound when I move on to buildings. Hopefully I don't. You ready to anything else? What's the furthest trip you're taking on? Oh, I stayed for sure. Yeah. How long did it take you to get to the city? 2 days, 12-hour driving. Another half day, 2.5 days. I see dudes, I drive down to Vegas now. I see dudes getting that right a lot, banking free. And I'm like, I don't know how people do that in the middle of summer.
It sucks, man. It gets hot.
Well, the worst part is the traffic, you know? You're sitting there on the highway, and the bike's hot, the road's hot, and you're moving.
Yeah, if you stop.
That's the worst, man. That's the worst.
Oh, you keep back and stuff, right?
Yeah.
It's that hot.
Yeah. But yeah, you get sore and shit. Just goes long, and then you're there for a day, you turn around.
See, I don't think there should be 2 officers for a traffic stop. That's a little too much.
There's been 2 times I felt like that. The first time I went over have you ever written down to Hatch Peak, Southern California? There's a pretty badass trail. If you take 99 down towards LA, cut across the Hatch Peak Pass, there's a scenic, but there's like some break off there that you actually go up like the backside of the mountain that leads to like 70. It's pretty insane. Pretty 97 bucks.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty good. Anything around the house, you go up to past that. Look at a little German town. Remember when you go past there, you go past that, that's 27. And go past
Yeah.
it.
Or that 97 takes you there, but I think it's like you get off on 2 or something.
Something like that. We go past that. Past that we work on the weather's pretty good. Sometimes we sure.
You ever had any hairy like situations in the morning?
A lot. The rain. The rain. I prefer the snow to the rain. So at least I know I can see it. Because you get the rain in your face, you got mouth every couple seconds. You don't know what the tires are doing something different every time you hit a puddle. Your puddle is just a guy hit a tree, or I'm sorry, you hit a deer. Good guy too, man. He just leaving home from the man we had. Old guy in the 60s, in the back of the pack, good yard on the front. Shit like that.
The only time I had a deer was the Penske truck loaded up. I had like a couple thousand pounds. It was like a 26-footer, and I was going downhill on 84.
Yeah, like on the highway, like 70 or 80 miles. You're like right there. You know, if I have the take open,
Okay, so for speeding.
Otherwise, I would let you walk back there. Well, and that's fine. There's witnesses in there that also saw it, and that's what the court process is for, right? So you're inside for the speed, right? And coming into the school, right?
You're probably right. I apologize.
So as far as the insurance, we give you the benefit of the doubt. Then you have it. You have 5 days to have proof of the insurance, either emailed to me, bring it down to the meeting, somebody sign off, have them just return the warning, and then we're good. If after 5 days if you don't do that, we'll say you're going to take it. But I'm making your insurance. You have a brand new bike. I'm sure you have insurance, right? So here's your information. You have 3 options on how to take care of the infraction. However you decide, of the 3 paragraphs, check the box, sign it down the bottom, and mail it back to the address on the front. Please just when you're around the kids, right?
No, you're
yeah, the county road, knock yourself out.
You do have an option to talk to the judge. So if you got like no other tickets or nothing, you can ask for him to waive it.
Right on.
If you don't get it.
Right. Please be safe.
Appreciate it. Will do.
Okay.
Take care.
Alright guys, so there you have it. He pulled him over, give him a ticket for speeding. Man, they couldn't give you a break, huh?
Yeah. I guess if that's what they want to fucking
Yeah.
call it,
What's up, brother? Yeah, look me up on YouTube. I'm ALCOR Audits, ALCORE, or ALCOR Audits. Yeah, basically just go around, I cop watch them.
Yeah.
You know, make sure they respect
Good.
people's rights. You know, they
Good,
don't
yeah.
violate any rights. You know, keep them accountable.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. I
Yeah.
appreciate that.
Hey,
That's what's
appreciate you, brother.
up. Yeah,
That's a nice bike.
he's fucking.
Is it Harley? Harley Davidson, yeah. Hell yeah. You be safe out there, man. Take it easy. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Yep. Was kind of disappointed he got a ticket, but you know, guys, you can't speed. I mean, it all depends, you know. I mean, if you go 5 over, you shouldn't get a ticket.